Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. If new windows are in your future, you have come to the right place. In the slides that follows, you will find more than a dozen links to information on different window topics, covering everything from windows, wall to energy efficiency. View photos, discover tips, and gain confidence for your next Windows purchasing experience. A wall design entryway makes a positive first impression and reveals the tone of the best of the house. From side lights to transom, windows serve an important role in entryway, providing views, lighting, and architectural character. See how windows can add drama to your entryway while providing a smooth transition between interior and exterior space. Bay windows offer many advantages such as stunning views, natural light, window seats in cozy connection between indoor and outdoor, and extra storage and floor space. If your home exterior suffers from an expensive block of roofing, consider breaking it up by adding dormer windows. Dormer windows can be used to balance your home exterior elements, bring attention to certain areas of the facade, and add light to your home interior. From gable to shed and all version between, find the best dormer shape for your house and tips for making a dormer addition look original to the design. Skylights, transoms, and other high windows are a great way to add natural light to a room without sacrificing privacy and wall or storage space. Skylights can be used to show off a ceiling striking pitch, bring the outdoors and offer sky and treetop views. Additionally, if high windows can provide a valuable source for of ventilation. See a variety of skylights, shapes, size and design used in many types of room. Usually located below one roof and above another, clear story windows serve many functions. They define roof lines, bring light into space without compromising privacy and wall space, highlight certain architectural detail or areas of the ceiling and offer views of passing clouds. This slide shows offer example of room that maintain a warm feel despite all the glass. It also provides tips for melding traditional design with modern windows wall through combination of trimwork and glass. If you are fortunate enough to plan out the design of your home with an contractor, consider the space the window will be placed in. Tall ceiling could benefit from clear-story windows high above the ground or multi-story windows that are typical and multi-story foyers. Smaller rooms can still take advantage of plentiful sunlight and view windows that have a lower sill height to the floor. So friends, you choose a style that take into account your room's best feature. There is nothing quite like waking up to picturesque view of the occasion through floor to ceiling glass windows or enjoying the city lights below through your curtain wall windows of your urban loft. Windows are more than just opening in the wall, they help you capture the outdoors and bring them into your home. If design your home from the beginning, determine what perfect view you want to capture first and then choose the windows that will enhance it. Do you have that room in your home where you would love to have natural light but you need privacy too? Bathroom is a prime example of where privacy is priority but bringing in light is as well. Consider a variety of opacity level for your window style. Transparent glass you can see straight through while transparent glass is common in glass block windows in bathroom. The view is obscured but natural light can still enter. Skylight offer privacy and source of natural light to room that normally could not because of lack of space for windows on exterior wall. Skylights also serve as a design feature and come in fixed and varieties. You can install windows treatment over them for light control. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.